Okay, good morning. Welcome to
MathPractice184.
Math Practice number 184. So last week we were talking about binary and binary addition, and this week we're going to talk about
Binary subtraction.
binary subtraction. So it's going to be actually really awesome. Can I have your marker? All right, so normally when we do subtraction, like 63 minus 21, what do we do?
Well, we do 60 minus 20, which would be 40.
60 minus 20, which is 40. And
3 minus 1, which is 2.
3 minus 1, which is 2. And we get
42.
42. Okay. But sometimes it's a little bit sneaky. Like, what if we actually had to do 63 minus 25? What would we do?
Well, we do 60 minus 20, which is 40. Then we do 3 minus 5, which is minus 2. 40 minus 2 is 38.
38. So,
Cool.
So that's all we do. So the hard thing that can come up in subtraction is sometimes we can get minuses when we subtract.
Yep.
So we have to figure out how to deal with that. Because are minus 2s allowed in decimals?
No.
No, we got to get rid of them. 42 is okay, but 40 minus 2 is really 38. Okay, so we have to figure out how to deal with that in binary. So let's start with a simple example first. How about 111 minus 10? Okay, what do you think we would do here?
Well, we do the 8th digit minus nothing is just 100.
Okay, so when we look at this digit, we don't subtract anything. We get 100. That's not the 8th digit, by the way. That's 1, 2,
Oh, yeah.
4. That's the 4th digit. Okay.
1 minus 1 would be 0.
Okay, so now we look at the middle digit, 1 minus 1, which is 0. I can just write 0, 0.
And 1 and
Now we can look at the ones digit.
1 minus 0 is 1.
1 minus 0 is 1. So what number do we get?
We get 5.
What binary number do we get?
We get 101.
101. Okay, and now let's see if this makes sense. 111 in binary is what number?
7
7. 10 in binary is what number?
is 2.
2. And what is 7 minus 2?
Is 5.
Does 101 equal 5?
Yeah, it does.
All right, high five. I mean, high 101. Pretty funny.
Yep.
All right, so now let's do a slightly more complicated example. Let's see if we can figure out what we need to do here. Let's do 101 minus 10. Do you want to do scared face? Okay, let's see what happens here. All right.
Well, we get 1 minus nothing is just 1.
100.
0 minus 1 is minus 1.
Minus 10. From that one, 0 minus 1.
And 1 minus 0 is 1.
1 minus 0 is 1. So we get the binary number
1
1
minus 1.
minus 1, 1. Now, is minus 1 a good number?
No.
No. So what we do in subtraction is the opposite of what we did in addition. Remember in addition when we had a 2, we turned it into a 10?
Yeah.
Okay. So here we have a 1 over here. So why don't I shift it over here and it would become, when I shift it back, what does a 10 become when I shift it back?
Well, it becomes a 2.
It becomes a 2. So 1 minus 1 is the same as minus 1, that's this part, and this 1 becomes a 2, 0. Now what do I get when I add those together?
Well, you add them, you get 3, 1.
Minus 1 plus 2 is?
Oh, that's 1.
1. Okay, now let's see what this is. What is 101 in binary?
It's 5.
5. What is 10 in binary?
2.
What's 5 minus 2?
3.
What's 1?
3.
Okay. So this is just showing some basics, and then we'll go into a little more detail over the next few days. Okay. All right. Is that good?
Yeah.
All right. Good job, sweetie. Good job.